Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I am doing amazing. Please excuse my rather interesting outfit, but you will get why I look like this in a minute. Or I mean, if you read the title, you know what I'm gonna do, so you probably know why I chose to wear something I don't really care too much about, because today we're getting super crafty, and it's something I've never done before on this channel. And actually I'm a crafty person. I'm a really creative person, but I've never done like furniture stuff around the house. And since we just moved into a new home that I will show you as soon as it's done, but right now it's still a big mess. So if you see boxes standing around and just lamps like laying on the floor and not being hung up yet, yeah, that's why. And yeah, so I had two white mirrors just like this one. I'll show you in a second. And I wanted to do something special with them. And I don't know if you've seen or heard of the trend with the foam around the mirror. They also do like small tables and stuff. And yeah, I thought it looked really cool, and so that's what I am going to do today. And I'm going to take you with me so that I can try it out for you and maybe give you some tips if you want to do it yourself at home. So yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm super excited.
Little did I know what I was getting myself into.
Okay, so once again, you can see my amazing, super cute outfit I'm wearing today. Yeah, and this is the mirror. It's just really a plain white mirror. My Sudoku on the floor. Don't ask why it's on the floor. But here's the mirror, and that's what we're going to work with. Alright, so as I said, I know everything looks horrible right now and it's really triggering, but just ignore the mess behind me and just focus on this. And yeah, I'm going to get the mirror real quick. Super heavy. Ooh, I don't know. Okay. Ooh. Okay. All right. So I have a wet paper towel on here, and on the spray thing, it's set to just wipe your surface with a wet paper towel, and that's what I am going to do now. We are going to get our spray. I don't even know if this is the right spray. Ooh, you can't even see me. I don't even know if that's the right spray. I just took whatever I found. That gloves, I hope so. Ooh, oops. Woohoo! Woohoo! Look how professional I am. Wait. I thought that's the way. I thought that was the way to do it, but I guess not. Ooh! Ah, they're super sticky. Ah! Okay. Okay. I'm ready. Okay, shake 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 19, 20. Okay. Whew. Then Sicherheitsdeckel entfernen. Take off the security lid. I'm scared. I'm scared. You can't even see it. Wait, I'm going to get you down here. Ooh. So that you can see me. Oops. Ooh, okay. I don't know. Why is this not coming off? Is this supposed to come off? I don't know. Is it? Ah, like this or like this? No. No. Oh my god, I don't know how this works. Ah, okay. I'm going to try it first. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm going to put it on here first. I don't know. Can you see? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, stop, stop, stop.
You might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's...
Alright, I think it looks cool. I'm just like super worried it's not gonna stick like to the mirror, you know? But I really hope so. Okay. You know, I'm just gonna put you down and continue. Let's go! I think it's not gonna like be enough. Oh no! No! Stop! Ugh. No! Oh, I hate it. So this actually started to look perfect and now it's just looking stupid. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see how stupid that looks and how cool it looks there? I don't know what to do. This is not, okay. This is not good. Okay, wait a second. Ah! I am not having fun. This is horrible. This is horrible. I just want to shake it. I feel like I need to it's not stopping. It's just... Okay, I'll just have to continue. Okay, so this is a major fail, I would say. I have the new one here. And I'm going to open it, shake it. Alright, so I definitely didn't buy enough foam and I'm sticky right now. But I'm going to show you how it looks like right now, and tomorrow I'm gonna go and buy a lot of foam, and then hopefully I will be able to finish this project that right now just looks like shit actually. It doesn't look like clouds at all, but I'll show you and we can look together how pretty it is and how creative I am and everything. Yeah. Okay, let's see. So this is how it looks like right now. And right here you would be like, oh wow, that looks exactly how the mirrors that we see on Instagram look like. Yeah, and then we go right here and it just looks like, yeah. So, no, I am not happy. And, yeah, I mean, this looks really cool. I think I'm just gonna go over here with when I have like new foam. But then like right over here where I had the new bottle, it doesn't look much better. So I don't really know what to do. But yeah, that's how much we have right now. And we're gonna continue tomorrow. Well, hello everyone and welcome back. This is day 2 of trying to make a mirror. I'm gonna try to fix this part right here. Oh my god! Oh my god! Can you see that? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! This is horrible! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is like... Oh my god! Why is this happening to me? This is not fun at all. That's not how I imagined that. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get a hair tie now. My camera died, so I'm gonna use my phone now. And I put my hair up.
A reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
All right, number 1 is done. And now I am going to go downstairs and do mirror number 2, but I only have 3 bottles of foam left. Yeah, I hope that's gonna be enough. I don't think so, but let's try it. This right here is the second mirror we want to work on. This is what it looks like right now, and I still don't have enough foam. Yeah, I hope I'm gonna get more foam tonight so that I can finally finish it, but that's the result right now. And I used 3 bottles, but I think I wanted a little thicker, so I'm gonna get 2 more bottles, I think. Hello everyone, it's day 3 of this experiment, and I feel like we're gonna get this job done tonight. It's really dark outside, as you can see, but I decided to film anyways, since I want to film the final result tomorrow morning with daylight so that you can see how amazing these mirrors look. One mirror is up already in our living room, and now I'm gonna finish this one right here. Alright, so this bottle is empty already, and I just made this little part just so you can understand how little you can get out of one bottle and how many bottles you actually need. It's crazy. Alright, so I would say we are done. Oh my god. Okay. Honestly, I thought this would be so much easier, and I really didn't think there was so little foam coming out. I was really disappointed, and on some parts, like right here, it looks really good, and then you have this, and this just looks like, it actually looks gross. It doesn't really look the way I thought it would look. I don't know, I'm just really disappointed, but well, I mean, I already made them and I spent so much money on that foam. Like, actually, like, one bottle is, I think, 12 euros, at least 12 euros. So it's like, let's say I used 12 bottles at least. So yeah, I spent a lot of money, like at least 100 euros on it, and I'm not gonna throw them away because of them not looking perfect. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I think I should have just stopped using the foam the minute I noticed that it was getting thinner and not like that thick, cloudy, spongy texture. But I mean, I would have wasted so much foam. I hope it's gonna look okay when it's dry. I think the one upstairs looks okay. It has some spots that are really perfect and that are exactly the way I imagined it to be, and then there's some spots that really are just gross. but whatever, I'll show you in the morning. I'll show you the final results, and I'll show you where I'll place the mirrors. And yeah, bye. It is day 4 of this stupid DIY. I should have never started, but we started, so we just had to go with it. We're going to put the bedroom mirror up right now. We're gonna do that together. Ew. Okay, it is not dry, as you can see. Now I just stick some foil on here so that it can dry properly, I hope. Okay, my hands are so sticky. You can see that? Do you see that? These are my hands. So I'm gonna be very careful. Also, my foot is sticky, but it's okay. We're just gonna roll with it. This is horrible. I feel like they should say on each mirror, like on each picture, people post of this mirror on the internet. There should be, there should be a disclaimer that says, do not do this at home. It's not fun. It looks fun. It's not fun. You are just gonna spend a lot of money and get sticky hands and just be very upset. You see that? That's so gross. This is not fun. I thought this was gonna be like a really cute, cool DIY video, just a very quick thing, you know, and I would have a super cool mirror. But what I have now is just this, and then this, and then now this, and I hope it doesn't stick to the wall. And I have sticky fingers, and now then I have a sticky camera. But I think I have to turn it around. This is mirror number 1 for the bedroom, as you can see. And now, I'm honestly just making everything sticky. We're gonna go upstairs and look at the living room mirror. Still a mess. It's better, but still a mess, so please don't judge. Okay, oops. All right. And here is the living room mirror and my bouncy ball. I feel like I really like this one. I mean, it's still not perfect. It still has this going on. But then, you know, like everyone else's mirrors are like perfect and super cute. And, you know, my mirror actually looks like I made it. So, actually it looks like a 5-year-old made it. Yeah, so this is it. I hope you like it. I would definitely not recommend doing this. It's not fun. And it just doesn't look good. So yeah, don't do it. It's not worth it. You know the video, like, don't do it, girl. I'm not gonna do it. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. And then I'm just like, I did it. And I have sticky hands now. And I'm stupid. And I just lost like 20 hours of my life and like a lot of money to make it. So yeah, I did it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was really helpful. I hope it was still fun, even though it was like, yeah, not really structured or anything. But yeah, maybe let me know in the comments what you think about the mirror. Maybe you think it's like the most wonderful piece of art you've ever seen in your entire life, and you love it and you want to give me like $10,000 for it and buy it from me. Just let me know in the comments. I love you all. Bye.